Charger has a headlight out, but that truck's doing 80. It's doing 90 now. Speeding up on me. Driving in the middle of the road. About to hit the red line. I got lucky, it turned green. It's pretty obvious he's trying to get away from me right now. Out of my killer up. Good. 1037 northbound Mississippi, just blacked out. Me coming up to Missouri Street. It's gonna be an older model pickup. Maybe westbound on Cantrell. TBI. It's your hands, dude. Show me your hands. Fucking hands! Put them up! Put them up! Put your hands up! Put them the fuck up! Hey! Put them up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, dude! Get on the ground! Hands behind your back!
I got nothing. Please help me. I got nothing.
You got handcuffs? That's what you got. What do you mean you ain't got nothing?
I got nothing. No.
Please. Stay the fuck down, dude.
Okay. I got nothing.
Let go of it. Let fucking go.
I got nothing.
Bro, shut up.
I don't got nothing, dude.
Shut up.
I don't got nothing. Let me go.
No.
Please let me go.
No.
Please let me go.
No. Alright. Are you ready to be a good boy now?
Yeah. I don't got nothing, dude. Nothing, dude. I don't got nothing, dude. I don't got nothing but my ID. I'm trying to go home. I don't got nothing.
I'm 1015. I got him on the ground.
I don't got nothing.
In handcuffs now.
I don't got nothing.
Shut up.
I don't got nothing.
Bro, shut up.
Call
God damn, man.
3807.
I don't know what you're saying, but you can stand up.
That's my girl.
Stand up.
Dude, you represent.
Shut up. Quit your whining. Quit your whining.
Help! Help!
Get in the car, dude. Get in the car. Get in the car on your own. Or you know what's going to happen. Get in.
Help! Help!
Being clearly met, I'm 1015. So next up 1011, please. Quit bagging, I'm going to hog tie you. You understand? You want to get hog tied?
No.
Then shut up.
Okay, can I get up?
Nope.
Hey! 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 Come and get him!
I'm going to hog tie you.
Hey man, can you call my girl?
Shut up.
Can you call my girl? Can you call my girl, man?
No.
Please call my girl.
No.
Please, man. Please call my girl.
Nah.
Please call my girl.
Nah, I'm good.
Please, man. Please.
Wait, what do you want?
Please, can I call my girl?
Oh, no, the answer's still no.
Please, man. Can I call my girl?
Hold on, let me think about it.
Please, man. Please, man. Can I call my girl?
Nah, we're good.
The new apartment.
Oh, really?
Yes, please, can I call my girl?
No, we're good.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah.
I'm not drunk, I'm not nothing, man. I'm just coming from another girl house, man. Please.
Don't care.
Please, man, can I
Do
call
not
my girl?
care.
Please, can I call my girl? Please, can I call my girl?
Keep asking and maybe the answer will be yes eventually, but
Please, man, can I call my girl? I'm
Nah.
not drunk, I'm just coming from another girl house.
nah, we're good.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah.
I'm not drunk, I'm not
I don't care.
on no drugs or nothing, man.
I don't believe
Can I
that for a
call my
minute.
girl? Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah, we're good.
Please, man.
Nope.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
Man, can I call my girl, man?
Hey, do you want to call your girl?
Yes, please.
Oh, no, we're good. North on North. That 20 is going to be Charles 5766 C5766. We're on Cantrell Jet with Mississippi. Wow, why are you screaming like that? I'm actually doing him a favor by not letting him call his girl. Letting her see him like that, jeez. Let's see if you can run the name off that 28. Okay, I just found an ID card on the ground. Jones, comma Vernon, VERNON. Date of birth is going to be 1979, 12/12, 79, 12/12.
Hey man.
Nah, dude, you just keep screaming the way you're screaming. That'll really solve stuff. No.
I ain't got no deal.
I don't care.
I don't got no phone, no one.
I don't really care what you have to say.
No wants or nothing, man.
Don't really care about what you have to say.
Please, man, just let me call my girl.
No, we're good.
She right down the street.
Don't care.
Please.
Still don't care.
Please, I don't got no wants or nothing.
Still do not care.
Please.
No amount of you saying anything is going to make me care.
Please. I don't got no wants, I don't got no drugs or nothing.
Don't care.
Man. Please help me, man. Can I call my girl?
Do not care.
Can I call my girl?
Do not care.
Can I call my girl?
C65. C5766. Why does his voice get so high pitched every time I leave the car? Jeez.
Hey man, please call my girl. I don't got no drugs, no alcohol, nothing on me. Please can I call my girl?
Why are you still talking?
Please can I call my girl, man? Please can I call my girl? Please can I call my girl?
I wish I had some duct tape. So you duct tape your mouth, man.
No, please, can I just call my girl? 43807, please can I call my
16
girl?
Markham 1097.
I don't got no warrants or nothing, man.
434.
Please can I call my girl?
You're not pissing yourself back there, are you?
Please can I call my girl, man?
You smell bad.
Man, I'm at another brow house, man. Please call my girl.
It smells like you're pissing yourself back there. Man, I lost the button.
Sorry, I was finishing a press report.
Good.
Flashlight. You good?
Yeah. TV at him and then he tried to, like, he threw it in reverse and tried to do circles.
You had to chase him?
Yeah, he was...
1025?
I was trying to catch up to him from the interstate and I didn't realize he had already taken off from me.
Yeah.
I started going to Mississippi. I was like, yeah, he's obviously running.
What's his deal?
He's crazy, man.
Really?
He's over there screaming like a Tickle Me Elmo. See if I can't find this.
Good job, dude.
See if I can't find this button.
Or you could lose it out, you think?
Somewhere around here.
Here's the vacuum for it.
He tried to take off running from here, but he zigged instead of zagging.
I heard you were kind of out of breath. I was wondering if you ran after him.
He couldn't figure out how to run.
Good job, dude. Sorry I was so far away.
That's all good.
I was hoping to go a little bit longer.
Here's the button. Now I just need a... What? Here goes the car. You hear me? I got a car coming. I found the button. I just need the little clip thingy. The little, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about? That little
Yeah,
thingy? Hang on, I need to shut this off and reset it.